if I'm going up a hill and the speed is maybe too slow for second gear, the cars are slowing down, speeding back up, slowing down, I can use first gear. So pretend traffic's slowing down, I put it into first gear, give a little bit of gas, creep in the traffic starts to speed up, I put to second gear, traffic starts to slow down, I put to first gear, traffic starts to speed up, put to second gear. Oh, now the traffic's braking, slowing down, put to first gear. So you can do that on and on. If the traffic's not fully coming to a stop, you can use first gear. And it's very helpful on a hill.